Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to create FIFA World Cup videos. Now, first thing that you should do is simply search for Vision AI on your browser. Then you want to open the first option. Then it will open this website. Now, you want to choose the quality of the video from this section right here. You want to choose also the aspect ratio. I'm going to choose 9 to 16 or 16 to 9. I'm going to choose the duration, which is 10 seconds, for example. And you can choose if you want to have a reference or not. You can even choose the model that you wanted to create your own video. I will use the first option, which is Real Motion 3.1 Turbo, and I will type my prompt right here. I will type here, I need a video of Cristiano Ronaldo scoring a goal in a match in FIFA 2026. And the better your prompt is, the better results you get. Now, after you finish, you just have to click on enter, and it will take a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes in order to generate you your video. Here, as you can see, it tells you exactly the estimated time needed in order to generate the video or start generating it. And now here, as you can see, I have the video. You can now play it, and you can even download it by clicking on download right here. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.